Recently, there have been a lot of things going on with AI. You would see AI tech popping up from nowhere, and then companies lay off. There are a few conflicts between government in China and the US, and in India, Russia. Just so many things happening in 2023, and then we are not even halfway yet, and we have already seen a lot of shit going emotionally, mentally, spiritually, physically. I'm prepared for that. So in this video, it's just my personal opinion. I'm going to maybe share with you what my opinions, upcoming technology about AI, cryptocurrency, software engineering, the future of these tech fields. How can you prepare for that? It's just mostly based on my personal opinions, what I've seen on the internet. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up as usual. Let's begin. So what now? You can see a lot of AI tech popping up recently, and venture capital, they love AI now, and companies is investing in AI with a lot of money. And a lot of startups are building AI tools, and it's just AI everywhere. AI is everywhere. Yeah, AI within just like 1 month, and then you can see a lot of AI is going on. AI startups, AI tools, AI tech, ChatGPT, GPT-4.
I don't know.
You could do so. You want.
I'm pretty sure OpenAI. OpenAI has already been working on that for a long time, and they just released ChatGPT this year. It went viral, went crazy. Everyone is using that to build a startup. Everyone is using that for coding. Everyone is using that for content generations. It's just very interesting to see that. And recently, the government from China and Russia, Saudi Arabia, they are with the US in terms of the oil, which is a big issues. Because as you probably know, oil production, export are like one of the biggest source of the country, and decided not to use the US dollar anymore. If this happened, then the US dollar is just gonna go wasted. And then what can we do with the US dollar? And then no one's buying US dollar anymore, and turns to cryptocurrency, which is an alternative currency to replace the US dollar, because we have no choice, right? And then the bad thing, I've actually read the news about that. It's great or not great, I'm not sure, but to move everything to cryptocurrency. But then the thing is that it's probably not gonna decentralize, because they have the right to keep track of what you have been purchasing, where does your money go. You are basically under surveillance every second of your life in terms of your money. And then is that what you want? See, I have no idea what can I do. I don't know. And then this is a big issue. We'll see how it goes. So now let's talk about AI. AI has been here for a long time, but it didn't become like this years ago. Yeah, so what would you expect to see in terms of in the AI field? What you can see, the things that has to be automated, it will be automated. For example, a lot of jobs, like those manual jobs, I don't want to mention any kind of job, but you probably know that if you know the job is going to be replaced, it will be replaced. Just accept the truth. This is the truth, right? You will see more and more AI tools pop up in the next few years, 10 years, and then we are not going back anymore. The thing is, like, if you don't want to accept AI in your life, it's just impossible for us to go back to like 20 years or 30 years ago. We just have to move forward. The world is moving forward, and then you have to move forward as well. And the world is moving towards AI, and then you have to adapt to the technology. And then, well, this is not bad. If humans use that wisely, it can actually save us a lot of time, and then it can actually help us to build a better life, a better society, a better world that doesn't require manual work, and we can just focus on what we want to do in life, and instead of having to worry about and wasting time about those manual work. I'm tired. We don't need that. AI can do that, which is a good thing, you know. Some people will say like, I'm afraid my job will get replaced. If if it has to be replaced, this is how it is. But then the thing is, like, lots of new jobs is gonna come up. Maybe a hardware supervisor. AI and robotic, they can do the job, like building this and that, and we always need someone to stay there, right? And yeah, anyway, but whatever you think it is, it is. So AI, NLP, generative AI, they are just the beginning. And in the next few years, you are going to see a lot of newer, unimaginable AI tech will show up without you realizing that. We're gonna use AI in space, we're gonna use AI in telecommunications, we're gonna use AI in education. I mean, it's actually good for society, isn't it? But hopefully it's not gonna harm, hopefully there's nothing wrong, nothing serious will come up because of humanity. I hope so. Yeah. And if you are looking for resources to study AI, I have some resources, highly recommend resources. I'll put the link down below and check it out. So that's my opinion about AI. There are just way too many things coming up, so I have to do another video for that. Stay tuned. And now talking about Web3. Have you bought NFT before? It's a useful tool, but then humans just use that for something weird, and then it corrupted. See, it's all about human. I'm not sure if government's still it's gonna use Bitcoin or Ethereum for that. I'm pretty sure they are going to develop a new kind of currency that is centralized. It's coming back as well. You know what? Apple just announced the news that they are going to challenge Mark Zuckerberg about the metaverse. They're coming for metaverse, and if Apple is taking advantage of that, then we are definitely going to see metaverse coming back from nowhere again. And then I mean, all these things we require cybersecurity. I don't even know what I was talking about, because there are just way too many things that happening right now, and then sometimes my mind just go exploded. So talking about metaverse is coming back, and people are not ready for that, and we don't feel like it's coming back, but it's actually coming back. And how do we get prepared for that? I don't know, just wait. we don't have a choice. We don't have a choice, right? What you can do now is just keep learning new things, updating your skills. Just don't stuck at software engineering. Just don't stuck at software engineering if you are a software engineer. Just keep learning new things. Learn about some AI tools. Learn about how AI works. Learn about how NLP works, CNN works. Learn about how generative AI works. Learn about cybersecurity. Learn about Web3. There are actually a lot of things for you to learn. Don't just stuck in your current knowledge, because we need to improve. The world is moving forward. Technology is moving forward. And we need to upgrade ourselves every single day. Every single day there's going to be a new technology popping up. So if you don't learn, you won't be able to join us anymore. That's what I want to say, because you will get outdated, and then your job will get replaced. So in terms of that, just keep learning new things, and I have put course link down below, just check it out. And the other thing I want to talk about is, would the job for software engineering get replaced with the rise of ChatGPT? For now, I don't think so, because ChatGPT at their baby stage, the code that they produce sometimes are just weird, I would say. But sometimes it's correct, but sometimes it's weird. But the things like they can't write the whole applications for now without any human supervisions, right? Because do you trust AI to write code for you without you looking at that? No, right? So we still need software engineering, but maybe those low-level tech jobs might get replaced, because what has to be replaced, it has to be replaced. But then those much more senior level of software engineer, they still have to be in that field, because we need someone to supervise the machine. Learn more. Just keep learning. Just keep learning. Yeah, just keep learning, and you'll be fine. Keep learning. Just keep up with the trend. Don't stop. Never stop learning. That's one of the biggest advice I'll give to you. Yeah, so in conclusion, those are just my personal opinion. I'm not trying to offend anyone. It's just my personal opinion. Let me know what you think down below. Just comment down below and then let me know what you think about the future. The future is really exciting. A lot of new things will come up soon, and the government is sort of like updating the technology as well. And I put a lot of resources down below on the link sections. Check it out. Love all of the courses. They are probably the top recommended courses online. Just learn that, build a lot of projects, and keep learning. And it's great that you are in tech now, because tech field is constantly growing, and you're here now. So congratulations. And if you have any topics you want me to cover about any type of videos that you want me to do, let me know down comment section below as well. Otherwise, just follow my Instagram. I post a lot of things. You can follow my newsletter. I share a lot of news, tutorials on my newsletter. And yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. And I will see you guys next time. More videos coming up, I promise. Alright, I will see you guys soon. Bye.